Learning English, a simple speech for speaking and understanding. Good morning, everyone. My respected teachers, dear friends, and my lovely audience. Today I am standing in front of you to speak about learning English and why English is important in our life. This speech is simple. This speech is for learning. This speech is for practice. Please listen calmly. Please understand slowly. English is a global language. People all over the world speak English. English helps us to connect with people from different countries. English helps us to learn new things. English helps us to grow in life. Many people feel afraid of English. They think English is difficult. They think English is only for intelligent people. But this is not true. English is just a language. Anyone can learn English. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to start. Learning English is like learning to walk. At first we fall. At first we make mistakes. But slowly we learn. Slowly we improve. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help us learn faster. When a child learns to speak, he makes many mistakes. But parents never stop him. They encourage him. They smile. They help him. We should treat ourselves the same way. Do not laugh at your mistakes. Do not feel ashamed. Be proud that you are trying. English has 4 main skills. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. First, let us talk about listening. Listening is very important. Before speaking, we must listen. When we listen more, we understand more. When we understand more, speaking becomes easy. Listen to simple English. Listen to slow English. Listen to English songs. Listen to English speeches. Listen to English videos. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Understanding will come with time. Your brain is learning silently. Now let us talk about speaking. Speaking is the biggest fear for many people. People say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak." This is normal. Speaking needs practice. You cannot speak without speaking. Speak slowly. Speak simple words. Speak daily. You can speak in front of a mirror. You can speak with friends. You can speak alone. You can speak while walking. Do not wait for perfect English. Perfect English is a myth. Clear English is enough. Even native English speakers make mistakes, but they speak confidently. Confidence is more important than grammar. Now let us talk about reading. Reading helps us learn new words. Reading helps us learn sentence structure. Reading helps us think in English. Start with small things. Read short stories. Read simple articles. Read children's books. Read slowly. Read aloud. Read daily. If you find a new word, do not panic. Check the meaning. Use it in a sentence. Slowly, your vocabulary will grow. Now let us talk about writing. Writing helps us organize our thoughts. Writing helps us remember words. Writing improves grammar. Write small sentences. Write about your day. Write about your work. Write about your dreams. Do not try to write big paragraphs at first. Small steps are best. Now let us talk about thinking in English. This is very important. Many people translate from their mother tongue to English. This makes speaking slow. Try to think directly in English. For example, when you see water, think water, not your local word. When you see food, think food. This habit takes time, but it works. English is not about rules only. English is about communication. If the other person understands you, your English is good. Now let us talk about confidence. Confidence changes everything. Without confidence, knowledge is useless. With confidence, small knowledge is powerful. Stand straight, speak clearly, smile while speaking. Do not worry about people laughing. Most people are busy with their own life. Remember one thing, people respect effort. People respect learners. Now let us talk about daily practice. English needs daily contact. Even 20 minutes a day is enough. But do it every day. Consistency is more important than time. You can do this daily routine. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes writing. This simple habit can change your English in 3 to 6 months. Now let us talk about English in real life. English helps in jobs. English helps in business. English helps in travel. English helps on the internet. Many forms are in English. Many machines are in English. Many instructions are in English. When you know English, life becomes easy. You feel confident in offices. You feel confident in interviews. You feel confident with clients. English does not change who you are. English adds power to who you are. You can keep your culture. You can keep your language. English is an extra skill. Now let us talk about fear. Fear is the biggest enemy. Fear stops learning. Fear kills confidence. Ask yourself, what is the worst that can happen? Someone may correct you. Someone may smile. That is okay. Correction is help, not insult. Welcome correction. Thank you for watching my video. See you again in the next video.